Vcenter H630HS. Built-in spindle avoids belt vibration to affect machining quality. Dual winding, low-high winding with high power output 25-30 kilowatts further reduces cutting time. Oil-air lubrication assures long service life. T-shaped structure with meionite casting from Victor. Taichung's licensed foundry ensures maximum damping and strength. Innovative design shortens the distance from spindle to rear supporting guideways to enhance the cutting stability. Column responds more dynamically due to the reduced weight and inertia. Moving column design features high rapid feed rate, 48 meters per minute, for 3 axes to reduce the idle time. Roller-type linear motion guideways enhance structure stiffness to absorb the most extreme of cutting forces. Ball screw holders are cast into the machine base, enhances a constant support. Coolants through the ball screws remove the heat generated by high feeds and assures minimal thermal displacement. 60-tool magazine with twin-arm type ATC offers quick changeover time, 12 seconds, chip for heavy BT50 tooling. Less heat generated in comparison as hydraulic system assure higher reliability. Rotary style APC driven by servo motor reduces overall cycle time. 4 ground cone shaped taper pins and bushing ensures high accuracy and repeatability throughout the entire service life. Air jets are blown through cones assure pallet clamping, air sealing detection. Hydraulic interface for APC, optional, powered through the B-axis mechanism, facilitates auto part clamping. High loading capacity, 1,200 kilograms. Rotary style APC driven by servo motor reduce overall cycle time. 2 screw-type chip removers are included to remove the swarf from the machining area. Rear disposal chip conveyor follows to take chips away from the machine. High-pressure coolant pumps and large coolant tank. Face cutting. End mill cutting. Drilling. Tapping. Boring. Auto tool length measurement. Coolant through spindle, CTS. Auto part measuring. Expandable tool magazine. Table shower, Niagara coolants. CNC table with 0.001 continuous indexing. Hydraulic interface on pallet from APC bottom. Vcenter H630HS.